Good morning, class 8 students. In the previous class, we discussed the topic chemical properties of non-metals. Now, in today's class, we will discuss about the uses of metals and non-metals. Please open your NCERT page number 51. So, the topic, today's class topic is uses of metals and non-metals. First, we discuss about the uses of metals. How the metals are used and in what things we will use the metals. So metals are used making machinery, automobiles, gadgets, trains, satellites, industrial gadgets, in which in the metals, those metals have aluminium, iron, copper. They are the uses of metals. Okay, like our ornaments, they are the metal. Okay, so the uses of non-metals are also very important. Non-metal is essential for our life. So we inhale the oxygen gas, so it is a non-metal, because we studied before only that the gases are the non-metals. So oxygen is also non-metal, and the non-metals are also very useful for the soil. So soil, the nitrogen is useful for soil, so it's also a non-metal. So the non-metal used in water purification process, and the non-metals are also used in the crackers. So these are the uses of non-metals and the metals. Okay, so the chapter number 4, material, metals and non-metals, we have completed this chapter. The question answers of this chapter you have to do by yourself. Okay, if you have any problem in any question, then you ask to me. I explain the answer as well as the question to you. Or if you have any doubt in the chapter, you also ask to me. You have to read the whole chapter, understand the chapter, because in the paper the questions are come in between the chapters also. Okay, so you have to read the chapter very carefully, because the 1 mark questions are come in between from the chapter. So you read it carefully and learn the chapters. We take your first unit test. So we take your first unit test, and after some time, by the end of the August or by the starting of the September, we take your second unit test. So prepare your chapters according to that only. You have to give your second unit test. You have to score well in the test. So prepare according to the second unit test. Okay, in the second unit test, I gave you 2 chapters which we have completed till now. Chapter number 4 and the chapter number 12, which is friction. We take 2 chapters in the unit 1, cell, and the chapter number 11, force and pressure. Now the 2 chapters which we completed till now is chapter number 4, materials, metal and non-metal, and the chapter number 12, which is friction. If it is possible that we cover 1 more chapter, then that chapter will also come in your UT second. So prepare well. Okay, thank you class.